be making a keto broccoli and kale coleslaw salad. When you're doing keto, sometimes you just want something quick and easy to eat. Salad doesn't have to mean boring, so I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious keto salad. The ingredients for the salad are a broccoli ground, 4 to 5 strawberries, 1 avocado, a quarter of a cabbage, a third of a cucumber, a bunch of kale, some feta cheese, 1 teaspoon of seasoning salt, a pinch of pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, about 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, and 2 boneless chicken thighs. The first thing we're gonna do is to cook our protein, which is our chicken thighs. I'm gonna start by mixing all our spices and coat our chicken thighs with them. So we mix our spices. Once we have our spices all mixed up, I'm gonna pour them into our chicken thighs and make sure you get them all over your meat. Give it a good rub. I'm gonna be cooking my chicken thighs in the air fryer, but if you don't have an air fryer, it's totally okay. You can cook it in a pan with some butter or in the oven. With my air fryer, I'm gonna be cooking them at 390 degrees for around 6 minutes and then flip them around and another 6 minutes. While our chicken is cooking, we're gonna chop our ingredients. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to remove the leaves of the kale from the stem. Once we remove the kale from the stem, we're gonna finely chop it. Now I'm just gonna place it in a bowl. I'm gonna proceed to cut really finely our cabbage. So we remove the root and finely chop it. And now just place it into the same bowl. For our broccoli, we're gonna be doing it a little bit different and we're gonna be grating it. So we're gonna divide the crowns. This will facilitate us when we grate it. We're only gonna be using the stem of the broccoli, so you can keep the broccoli crowns for something else. Gonna grate it like this. Once we grated all our broccoli, this is what you should end up with. And we're gonna put it into the same bowl. Once we have our kale, cabbage, and broccoli steamed in our bowl, we're gonna mix everything together. Our 6 minutes have passed and I'm gonna flip my thighs the other way around. And now we cook them at the same temperature for another 6 minutes. While the chicken is cooking again, we're gonna finish cutting the rest of our ingredients. So we're gonna cut our cucumber into little cubes. Now we cut our strawberries. So we remove the stem first. And lastly, we cut our avocado. Twist it, pull it apart, and remove the pit. We're gonna cut the avocados in little cubes as well. Just cut through and all the way around. And now we scoop it out of the avocado. We have all our toppings ready for the salad, and now we're gonna proceed to make our homemade poppy seed dressing. For the dressing, we're gonna need 4 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, half lemon, and 1 tablespoon of erythritol. This is super easy. We're just gonna mix all our ingredients into a small bowl, and that's it. So I have my mayonnaise in here, and I'm gonna add our tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, our half lemon, erythritol, poppy seeds, and a pinch of salt. We mix everything together. Once it's all mixed together, we're gonna try it out and see how it tastes in order to see if we need to add anything else. It is really good, but I think it's missing a little bit more erythritol, and I think I wanna add a little bit of paprika. I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of erythritol and a pinch of paprika, or 1/8 of a teaspoon. Mix, and we try again. It's really good. I think the dressing is perfect to go, so now let's assemble our salad together. My chicken is fully cooked, so I'm gonna take it out of the air fryer, and I'm gonna cut it into little pieces. And what I love about making the chicken in the air fryer is that the chicken skin is so crispy. Perfect. Now that our chicken is cut, it's ready to finish the salad. We're gonna pour all our dressing into our bowl and give it a really good mix. So today's recipe is for 2 big bowl salads. So I'm gonna transfer half of my salad into another bowl. And now we're gonna add all the toppings into our salad. We put the cucumber, the strawberries, the avocado, sprinkle the pumpkin seeds, some feta cheese, and lastly, top it with our chicken. Okay, so let's try it out. We're gonna give it a little bit mix and then try it. Gonna make sure to grab a little bit of everything. It is really good. It's a perfect salad for the summer. It's super fresh, it's not boring at all, and it's really filling. You get the good fats from the avocado, the protein from the chicken, and in general it's just really good. I hope you guys like this recipe and the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button, leave me a comment down below, and if you want to follow me on my journey, I will link my social media down below. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys on the next video.